Why you were left out of the recent government bailouts during the pandemic and what steps you need to take now so that you will never be left out of a bailout again. Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel, Black Girl Rise Up, where we help Black women from all over the world to live their purpose, make their own money, and skyrocket their self-esteem and self-image. As you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time helpful videos are uploaded, let me ask you, did you notice that most of the economic relief from the government during the pandemic went to people that own their own business and or own property? Well, besides for the big companies like banks and airlines, etc. While mostly everyone else was left waiting and hoping for a small $1,200 stimulus check, of which a lot of people still haven't received. In this video, I'll show you 2 steps you can take so that you are not left out of the next time so that you're not left out the next time that a crisis happens. Number 1, own your own business. Reminder, you should have at least 3 sources of income. Actually, the more the better. Work on having 8 or more sources of weekly, monthly, yearly sources of income. There were and still are crazy amounts of loan offers and grants geared towards businesses during the pandemic bailouts. So let's get in the correct position this time so you won't be left out again. Now, we aren't talking about just any little side hustle, gig, favor type of business, although those still mostly qualify for some relief, but not as easily. I'm talking about you being a boss of a well-ran business that has its own EIN number, which is a unique number that identifies your business. You'll also want to officially form your business, structure your business, meaning sole proprietor or partnership or corporation or even an LLC. The LLC is one of the favorites because when done correctly, your personal assets are protected. I recommend speaking with a lawyer or legal team. You'll also need a separate business checking account. You can see our video on setting up an LLC and 4 easy steps for more information on how to start an LLC. Remember, you'll find that here. Now, it's important to have 1 or more fully operating businesses, no matter how small or how simple. Your business could be as an eBay seller, a website boutique, an author, a creator of online courses. You could own a brick and mortar on-site business, public speaker, an advertising company, a nanny service, a cleaning service, a design company. Oh my gosh, the possibilities are endless because your passions are endless. But I'm sure that you get what I'm saying. So don't forget to see our other video on setting up an LLC in 4 easy steps. Now, take a look at some of the many perks for having your own business, besides for not being left out of government bailouts. Being in control. Hello, boss lady, I see you. Helping people change the world or even just your neck of the woods. Build something. Your business, that's what you're building. Living a more flexible lifestyle, making more money, your own money. So number 2, we're going to own something. Yes, yes, yes. Own something that will gain value and not sit in your driveway or on your back or on your feet, losing value and not making you any money. There are so many perks to owning property. Whether it's your own property, your own home, your own income property, there are positive advantages to owning property. For example, some of the top advantages of owning a home includes stable monthly payments, opportunity to build equity cheaper than renting over time. Owning a home provides tax advantages, freedom to make changes, build your credit, solid investment, just to name a few. Now, with income properties, this is a property bought and developed with the intention of earning from it. Real estate is generally a great investment option. It can generate ongoing passive income and it can also be a good investment if the value increases over time. You may even use it as a part of your overall strategy to begin building wealth. Where do you begin, you may ask? Well, first you need to find a trusted advisor. Experts recommend asking friends and family members to recommend somebody that they've worked with personally and then interviewing them. You don't have to have a real estate agent to visit and make offers on a home, but having a professional in your corner can help make navigating the process so much easier. And since they're usually paid for by the seller's commissions after a sale, you shouldn't have to pay for their services. Now, you do need to do your homework starting today. Research, read, research again, and read some more, because there is a little bit of a path from step 1 of starting to gather your down payment all the way up to step 10, move-in day or move-in renter's day. Go over to realtor.com if your friends and family do not have someone to refer you to. Also snoop around on Zillow.com. Start to get a feel of what you are looking for. The price range of what you are looking for will cost, and even what you will settle for or not. Let me know in the comments below what businesses you are thinking of or thinking about starting or have started. Also, let me know what your awesome plans are for owning something like your own home or even income property. Now that you know, don't sleep on this knowledge. I trust that you will take steps to never be left out of a bailout again, and also build wealth while you're at it. Don't forget to like this video and share the video. I thank you for spending time with me today. We are rising above the madness together. Join me again in the next video. Bye-bye.